Hey, welcome to Black Hat Kitchen. I'm Mr. Editor and I can't cook, but I can make a good coffee. Today I'm going to show you how to make Bicerin, also known as Torinese coffee. This traditional Italian drink from Turin layers hot chocolate, espresso and whipped cream to create a rich and delicious mocha-style coffee. To a bowl, add 1 cup or 236ml of heavy whipping cream or double cream. To this, add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, also known as confectioners sugar. Whisk the cream and sugar together until it forms medium to stiff peaks. This took me about 5 minutes, and it should look a little bit like this. Next, the hot chocolate. Now you can certainly melt your chocolate in a saucepan with some hot milk. However, I'm going to use my Hotel Chocolat Velvetiser just to make life a little bit easier. I'm pouring in just under 1 cup of whole milk, around 200ml, along with my Hotel Chocolat sachet, which works out about 35 grams. Allow the chocolate to melt into the milk until it creates a nice, smooth, velvety hot chocolate drink. And lastly, pour yourself 2 shots of espresso. Unfortunately, when I pressed the 1 cup button, I also turned off the camera. And now for the fun bit. Into a heat-proof glass, pour your hot chocolate layer. Then, with the back of a spoon, very slowly and carefully pour in your espresso layer. You're trying to get the espresso to stay on top of the chocolate rather than mix in. And finally, very carefully with 2 spoons, add in your whipped cream layer. You should have 3 fairly distinct layers. And if you reach for a spoon to stir the mixture, stop. This is supposed to be drunk as it is. Cheers. If you're hungry for another recipe, check this one out here. And remember to hit the subscribe button down here. Leave a comment down below, give us a big like, and see you next time.